Hey there, thank you for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean, and today I'm going to show you how to combine two columns in Excel. If this video was helpful for you, please just leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, with that said, let's just get right to it. This is actually really easy. We're going to go ahead and use a concatenate formula, and all you need to do is just put your cursor. Let's say you want to combine first name and last name. Just go ahead and put your cursor right there in C2. All right. Then from there, what you'll do is you just type in equals and then concatenate parenthesis. And then all you have to do is click on the cell you want to combine, the first one, which would be here, make a comma, then click on the next cell, and then go ahead and close the parenthesis. Oops. And then hit enter. So you'll see that it's combined the first and last name right here. However, there's no space, which we obviously want to fix that. But also too, how do you get it to like carry all the way down here? That's real simple. You actually just go ahead and see that little square right there. You hover your cursor over it and then double click it. Boom, now you got it all there. But as you can see, most all of them don't have spaces. So it's a really easy fix for that. All you have to do is just add a value up here. So you'll go into the formula bar and you just do a parenthesis, then a space, then parenthesis, and then a comma. Then hit enter, and you'll see right there, it actually added the space for you. Now you do the same thing. You just grab that cell, hover over that little tiny square you see, double click it, boom, you got a space on every single one that you see there. Like I said, very easy. You can do this with as many cells as you want. You can do all kinds of different values, but that is basically how you combine two cells in Excel. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Take care.